Hello everybody, it's Amanda here from scrimpingmummy.co.uk and I'm coming today to launch my April Stampin' Selections kit. Now this kit is stunning, it's absolutely full to bursting with lovely products from the Sweet Soiree suite, which you can find in the Spring Summer catalogue. It's such a large suite, it goes over 4 pages. But here it is, it's absolutely beautiful, and I think that this kit represents a really good selection of all of these goodies. Now you can get the bundle, which is the stamp set and coordinating framelets. If you do purchase these along with your kit, I can arrange for them to be sent together. And I will say that if you do buy the bundle as well as the kit, you will get an extra free item from me. So, what is... Also, I do use elements from the stamp set and the thinlets to decorate parts of the kit for the packaging and things like that. And also, you know, it gives ideas. Now, another thing that I do offer along with all the products, which I'm going to show you in a minute, is I have a private Facebook group for ladies and gents who purchase the kit. And on there I share PDF tutorials and videos of, you know, it's inspiration of ways to use your kit. And this month I'm going to be focusing on making embellishments. So it's not going to be card making, it's going to be embellishments and ideas of things like that, just for a bit of a change. So let's get cracking with what is in this kit for £21 posted. Don't forget, you can add to your kit any other products, you just need to let me know in plenty of time. If there's something in the kit that you really don't like, or that you've got lots of already, you can change some items. However, there are some items that you can't change. You can't change the DSP. You could, you know, maybe ask for a different ribbon or something like that. But the main major components you can't change. Because I've tirelessly coordinated everything so that you're getting an amazing kit. So the first thing you're going to get is one of each of 6 designs of the stunning Speciality DSP, which is foiled. It's double-sided, the other side is plain, and one side is foiled. So you're going to get one of each of those. They're in 12 by 12. I'm not cutting them down because I think that you've just got more possibilities with 12 by 12. You can do what you want, you know. If you wanted to use them to make a box or some other form of project, then you can. Now you're also going to get the coordinating cardstock that matches the DSP, and for this DSP in this suite the cardstock is A4. So you're getting 2 of each of the 3 colours there, and I've also added I don't know if you can see it in this light, there you go, 2 sheets of the glossy white cardstock. Just a little bit of something different for you to try, and that will certainly add a different element to any project. I think that is really stunning. Now along with that you do get what I call sample packs of embellishments and things like that. There's an awful lot here, there's a lot in this kit. So you're going to get a sample pack of the sequins and a sample pack of the pearls. So they will come in a different format to this. They will be hand packaged and hand finished. You're going to get 2 yards of the Berry Burst metal edge ribbon. You're going to get, there's 6 washi tapes here altogether. You're going to get a sample pack of those. Now that one I think you get, I can't remember how much you get of that one because that matches with these embellishments here. But these you're getting 2 yards of each. And you know, I package them on a peelable surface so that you can easily use these. And again, they come lovingly packaged. I have divided up the Cake Soiree embellishment kit here, so you're going to get basically half of one of these kits. So you're going to get some of the washi tape, and then we've got all of these beautiful die cuts. There's so many pieces to this little embellishment kit. I think there's well over 20 odd odd pieces. I haven't even counted exactly how many items are in this kit, but there's lots and lots and lots this month. It really is a great deal, a great bargain. So you're getting those, you're getting some of the, there's another one somewhere. There's 3 tassels. I've dropped one. Where's it gone? There it is. There's 3 tassels, there's 6 little pegs, you've got vellum flowers, you've got pre-made dies, you've got foiled numbers, and you've got this lovely velvety effect trim. There's loads and loads and loads there. Now on top of that, I'm also going to give you a sample pack, and I do this regular in with my kits because I think they're amazing, and that is the Memories and More. Now these are the Sweet Soiree ones. I have cleverly saved these, knowing that I was doing this kit, so you're going to get a share of some of the larger ones and some of the smaller ones. Okay, you do end up with an awful lot. And I'm going to give you something to make. I'm going to send you a little embellishment pack with all of the components that you need to make 2 of these beautiful rosettes. It will be the Sweet Soiree DSP that I send. It will all be pre-done. These is actually dies. So I'll cut these out for you, and all you've got to do is fold them up and glue the centre. And I'm also going to send you the elements to make these pretty bows. On top of that, I'm also going to send you the mini treat bags. This is one that has been constructed. I'm going to send you the die cuts, and I'm going to send you enough to make 2 of these treat bags. And again, it will all be in the Sweet Soiree DSP. So you're going to get enough to make 2 of those. So 2 treat bags, 4 embellishments in a little embellishment kit for you to make. You're going to get a share of these Memories and More cards. You're getting this embellishment pack here. There's loads, can't even count it all. The ribbon, the pearls, the sequins, the washi tapes, 4 different shades of cardstock, and 6 sheets of the 12 by 12 DSP. Okay, so as I say, these are £21. The cut-off date for ordering and payment is the 14th of the month, so that I can get it out for the 3rd week in the month. So if you would like to order one of these, come over and find me on Facebook. The links to where to find me are all in the description box below. Or you can email me directly at amandacharlesworth08@gmail.com. Quite a lot of ladies have got this on subscription now, so I will tell you that if you subscribe, which means you automatically reserve a kit every single month, although you can still pay monthly, you don't have to pay it all at once if you don't want to. If you do that, after the 6th kit in a row that you have ordered and purchased, then you will get a bonus kit as a thank you. So for every 6 kits you purchase, you get an extra bonus kit for free. So if that's something that you are interested in, come on over and send me an email or call in on my blog or find me on Facebook. Thanks for watching. Bye.